For Mandukasana, place both fists on either side of the navel. First inhale deeply and then exhale completely. Whenever you bend forward, you exhale. When you lean back, you inhale. This is a special breathing rule. During yoga practice, anyone with hernia, heart problems, or high blood pressure should not bend backward forcefully. Those with severe back pain should avoid bending forward. For anyone with high BP, heart disease, hernia, back pain, extreme weakness, weak bones or muscles, or poor balance, never practice with force. Practice gently, only as much as the body allows. Mandukasana is amazing for the stomach and for diabetes. Absolutely wonderful. For diabetes, Mandukasana is truly remarkable. Both fists should stay pressed near the navel. See? Tightly from behind. Now let the fists rest on the thighs. Liver, spleen, pancreas, intestines, the whole abdomen gets compressed. The fists press against the thighs. Exhale completely. The chest touches the knees. Neck straight, full forward bend. Bend forward and keep the neck straight. Stay here for 1 full minute. And it will give tremendous relief for stomach and diabetes issues. It gives powerful benefits, complete benefit, almost 100% results. But results vary depending on body and mind conditioning. Because everyone's practice level is different, benefits may vary slightly. Then slowly come back. If someone's pancreas is in a very bad condition, someone's pancreas is moderately weak, and someone has just begun diabetes, then results will differ a little based on these conditions. Because the condition of the pancreas, liver, intestines, spleen, stomach, and the tendency of the body and the mind differ for everyone. Our body, senses, and mind develop through practice. That practice builds our nature. Our natural constitution, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, becomes our tendency. Since our nature and behavior are not the same for everyone, benefits may differ slightly, but everyone will benefit